In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Upwork. Withdrawing your hard-earned money from Upwork is a straightforward process, but it's important to know each step so you can access your funds without any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Upwork homepage. Once you're there, you'll see several options on the top menu. You need to locate and click on the Manage Finances option. This section is essentially your financial dashboard on Upwork, where you manage everything related to your earnings and how you get paid. Once you're in the Manage Finances section, focus on the Payments area. This is your go-to spot for all things related to transactions. Here you'll find a button or link that says Withdraw Earnings. Click on that and it will take you to the next crucial step where you can start the withdrawal process. But wait, before you can actually access your funds, you'll need to make sure your tax profile is complete. This is a critical step because Upwork requires up-to-date tax information to comply with regulations. So if you haven't done it yet, fill in the necessary details in your tax profile. Once that's done, you can move forward seamlessly. Next, you'll be asked to consider your withdrawal schedule. Upwork offers you flexibility. You can set it up to coincide with your financial goals, whether you prefer weekly or monthly disbursements. Adjust these settings according to what suits you best. You might also notice a section marked Last Withdrawal. This is a handy reference point to check when you last moved money from your Upwork account to your personal account. It allows you to keep track of your financial activities, ensuring everything is orderly. Now, if you haven't done so already, another important feature to explore is the ability to add or update your withdrawal methods. Upwork supports several options, ranging from direct bank transfers to online payment systems like PayPal or Payoneer. For those looking for flexibility, it's reassuring to know you can add multiple methods that suit your needs. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you make sure that all aspects of the withdrawal process are handled properly and professionally. With everything set up correctly, you can easily access your earnings whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, happy freelancing.